Today we are going to learn how to multiply larger numbers ending in zeros together. For this concept, we need to pay close attention to how many zeros are in each of the numbers we are multiplying. Let's work through the first example together. 40 multiplied by 800. First, we look at 40. It is made up of a 4 and 1 zero. Next, we look at 800. It is made up of an 8 and 2 zeros. We then multiply the leftmost digit in each number together. So we will multiply 4 and 8 together, which equals 32. Since there is 1 zero in 40 and 2 zeros in 800, there are 3 zeros in total. This means we take the digits in 32 and move each of them 3 places to the left. Finally, we place zeros in the empty place values. We now get 32,000. So 40 multiplied by 800 equals 32,000. Now let's try the second example. 400 multiplied by 5,000. First, we look at 400. It is made up of a 4 and 2 zeros. Next, we look at 5,000. It is made up of a 5 and 3 zeros. We then multiply 4 and 5 together, which equals 20. Since there are 2 zeros in 400 and 3 zeros in 5,000, there are 5 zeros in total. This means we take the digits in 20 and move each of them 5 places to the left. Finally, we place zeros in the empty place values. We now get 2 million. So 400 multiplied by 5,000 equals 2 million. Now it's your turn.